Perfect.
Back to those days. I was running in one place. Set a pace. Feel like I've been running in one place. Yeah, I've been feeling pretty good. I've been feeling.
Man, I heard a Subi just pull up. Wonder who could that be? Hey, it's Mark, aka Aggressive. What's up, brother?
What's up, bro?
How you been? Oh shit, sanitizer. Very important. What you got in your trunk, Mark?
Shit, man, I got my skirts, bro.
Oh shoot, you gonna do this today? Finally.
Finally, dude.
Right on.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. What's up, gang? We're back here again. We're gonna do another install. As you saw, got some skirts to install on Mark's car. And it is a hot day today, so we'll make it quick. Stay tuned. Alright, so I got Mark opening the side skirts. Nothing funny this time. If you saw the last video, we did that skit with the back scratcher. Yeah, not today. Wait, there's 2 pieces in there? There's 2 pieces in there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that gloss. Wow. Holy crap, that's nice. So these are the S207 DT style OLM side skirts. I said it backwards, but that's fine. Alright, look nice. They have this gloss black finish. So I did talk to Mark about these side skirts, and he said he had about these for a year now. He didn't have a chance to install these because of, you know, life, time, work. But if you want to know where he got these, he got it off of Subi Speed. Go get yours if it's still there. So first things first, we gotta do is take out this mud flap here.
Need the compressor. To go. Teamwork, bro, makes the dream work.
Alright. Okay, we got that clear.
for the
sides.
for the self tapping, yeah.
Yeah. Sherm's light repair, Sherm's light repair. It's just that simple. So that's all.
Looking worthy.
It is you. Fuck, don't scare me like that, bro. Wheels off. We'll tell you why we took it off. Alright, as you see, the reason why we took off the wheel is so we could access this. Put a screw in here. If the wheel was on, it would probably be hard to get. So, also, so we can access that just in case. But we're getting there. So let's finish this up. Right, so first side skirt is in. It wasn't too bad trying to install this. It was actually easy. But it's in there. It's looking nice. The fit is pretty good. Mind you, this is a OLM side skirt and not OEM. But fitment is perfect. Spot on. Let's do the other side. Alright, so as I get ready to do the other side, we're on break at the moment. Of course, we all need a break sometimes. But I just wanted to update you. I just wanted to update you on what's to come on Blue. I already have something that I will install in the future. As you can see, it's right there. One day it'll go on there, and possibly, since I am doing side skirts today on Mark's car, I'm gonna go ahead and get some side skirts for Blue too in the near future though. That will be in another video. But hey, I just wanted to take the time to go ahead and tell you to subscribe to the channel. If you want more future updates on our videos here on Scenefifty, go ahead, click that notification button so you'll know that we posted new videos on the site. Alright guys, so the car is back on the ground, and as I go around, the side skirts are looking pretty dope, if I must say. Along with the front lip that we installed recently, it matches the side skirts, as you can see. Well, all in all, the install was pretty easy. It just took a while because, you know, we did all the filming and whatnot. It'll probably take you 30-45 minutes. But yeah. Alright guys, that was the install for the OLM S207 DT style gloss black lip from Scenefifty for Mark's STI. It was a simple install. All it was to mock it up, drill some holes, mark it and then drill some holes, and that's it. Basically that's it. Mark, you wanna add some stuff?
Yeah, I just want to say I want to thank you to all my followers, man. Just follow aggressive STI, agrsv.sti. Thank you for the support, man. I went through like 0 followers to like 300 in like days. Thank you. Appreciate it. Just wait until you see what's coming up big.
Yeah, so I heard that he was gonna come up with new ideas and stuff like that. He has something planned in the future. If you haven't checked out Mark's Instagram, it's aggressive.sti. It's spelled agrsv.sti. It's amazing how much followers that he had in that short period of time in reference of his STI. So I'll post up a link to his Instagram. I'll put a picture right up here. Check out his Instagram. And yeah, just wanted to thank you guys too. Like, comment, share, subscribe. can't thank you enough, the new subscribers on the Scenefifty channel. Thank you for watching.
Alright guys.
That's the end of it there. Alright, aloha and mahalo. Peace!